Learn how to adjust the espresso extraction temperature for perfect flavor. Press the power button. Once preheating is complete, the machine enters standby mode with all lights illuminated. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to access the espresso temperature setting. The screen will display 198 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the espresso extraction temperature. Press the steam button. The screen will display 192 degrees Fahrenheit. This indicates the coffee extraction temperature is 192 degrees Fahrenheit. Press the double cup button. The screen displays 203 degrees Fahrenheit, indicating the coffee extraction temperature is 203 degrees Fahrenheit. Press the power button to set the current display temperature to the coffee extraction temperature, and the machine will return to standby mode. The machine now brews at the temperature you selected.